Hey guys, so welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to fix FB Messenger call dropping. So, one practical tip for you guys is just simply make sure you are connected into a stable internet connection because sometimes unstable internet can cause this issue. Or what you could try to do is just simply restart your application, and mostly this fixes the issue. Now, if it doesn't, you could just simply go ahead and go to the messenger by going to the settings and then going for the apps. And here you could use the search icon at the top right corner, and you could just simply search for messenger. And guys, we are going to reset the app. To do that, you just simply go for the storage and you will have a clear data over here and click on OK. And when you relaunch the Messenger app, mostly this fixes the issue. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.